Top Reviewer. Top 5 Best Xhorse Dolphin XP005 Key Cutting Machine. Please note that the price can be changed at any time.
Number 5.
V1.6.0 Xhorse Condor Dolphin XP005 Automatic Key Cutting Machine. XP005 works on iOS and Android via Bluetooth. Orders 8. Review 7. Rating 5. 20% off. Brand name Xhorse. Certification CE. Origin Mainland China. Quality superior. Car maker for many cars. Warranty 1 year. Input voltage 1224 V. Battery capacity 64.75 Wh. Cutting power 100 W. Price $1,900. Check description below for product link.
Number 4.
Xhorse Dolphin XP005 Key Cutting Machine V1.6.2 works on phone application via Bluetooth compatible. Orders 43. Review 30. Rating 4.9. 20% off. Brand name Xhorse. Certification none. Shipping fast and safe. Update online. Batteries yes. Function key cutting machine. Performance excellent. Origin Mainland China. Condition new. Price $1,900.
Number 3.
Xhorse Dolphin XP005 Key Cutting Machine and VVDI Key Tool Max Bundle Package. Orders 5. Reviews 1. Rating 5. 22% off. Brand name Xhorse. Certification CE. Warranty 1 year. Origin Mainland China. Color as photo show. Service good. Price best discount. Xhorse Dolphin XP005. Performance strong and stable. Price $2,192.77.
Number 2.
Xhorse Dolphin XP005 XP005 Automatic Key Cutting Machine work on iOS and Android with built-in battery. Orders 7. Review 3. Rating 5. 20% off. Brand name Xhorse. Origin Mainland China. Color as photo show. Warranty 1 year. Price best discount. Service good. Certification CE. Price best discount. Performance strong and stable. Price $1,900.
Number 1.
Xhorse Condor Dolphin XP007 Manually Key Cutting Machine for Laser, Dimple and Flat Keys. Dolphin XP007. Orders 1. Review 1. Rating 5. 20% off. Brand name Xhorse. Certification CE. Origin Mainland China. Warranty 1 year. Car maker for many cars. Number SL438. Quality superior. Shipping fast express shipping. Special feature Dolphin XP007. Price $813.44. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.